goes to higher education. But I actually had a meeting with SecDecGo of the Department of Finance this morning. Full support po siya sa bill to abolish the travel tax, and he assured me that kung ano man ang pondo na pumupunta ngayon galing sa travel tax sa higher education, ay hahanap sila ng ibang source. Nag-usap din kami ni Majority Leader Mig Zubiri kaninang umaga, and he will be my counterpart in the Senate to file the bill also, I believe today or tomorrow. And next week, next Tuesday, him and I will both push for the inclusion of the bill abolishing the travel tax in the LEDAC priorities. So hopefully magiging prioridad na yan ni Pangulo, and we will make sure to pass it as soon as possible, because I mean honestly, again, it's outdated, it's a hassle for traveling Filipinos. We need to boost local and international tourism, and travel tax is not the way to do it. So hopefully makakatulong po to sa ating mga kababayan, and of course to all our visiting